Bafani ba spice makumi atano ba Jeff Waneno because that's what every young artist needs, support. So keep supporting Martha until she gets to Lugogo Cricket Oval, and she will and she's gonna make it because she's an amazing talent. She's a strong woman. She's everything. Stand with her. If you support Martha, let me see your hand up in the air. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's another day for you, my baby. Zembagala loving you. Zendi watana wantaulo. Siwaliba. Nawe labayokugulu. Siri retula. Soko katongere kavai bwako. Sekeo Sumaramu Nakuyagala Yagazima Baby Kuane Kusute Zabinuma Nevitamu Kira Vitawaka when you be a mo Binuma Nevitamu Kira Nataniwa Chida Bikorina Capesa Simuli Roniga Capesa. This is Martha's first step in her journey, and it means everything to her.